Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho CRM Workflow Rules, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Zoho CRM Workflow Rules, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, look for the Automation option. Click on Automation to reveal additional options. Select Workflow Rules from the drop-down menu. You will see a button labeled Create Rule on the Workflow Rules page. Click the Create Rule button to begin creating your new workflow. Next, you will need to choose the module for which you want to create a workflow. After selecting the module, provide a name for your workflow rule. Add a description to clarify the purpose of the workflow. Now, set the When do you want to execute this rule option. You can choose from options like On a Record Edit or On a Record Creation. Once you have made your selection, proceed to define the condition for your workflow. Use the drop-down menus to specify the criteria for when the workflow should be triggered. After setting the conditions, click on Next to proceed to the Actions section. Here, you can choose the actions that you want to execute when the workflow conditions are met. Options include sending an email, updating a field, or creating a task. Select the preferred action and fill in the necessary details based on your selection. Once you have configured your actions, review all your settings for accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Save button to finalize your workflow rule. You will now see your newly created workflow rule listed on the Workflow Rules page. To test your workflow, create or edit a record that matches the criteria you defined. Monitor the actions to ensure they execute as expected. If adjustments are needed, return to the Workflow Rules page and edit your rule accordingly. Your workflow is now set up and ready to automate your processes in Zoho CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.